Sungurile but.
So there's a word in song, ne? It's called so this is an abbreviation, you see, but it's misspelled because it's originally from Mozambique. You see, so in Mozambique they don't have O, they have U. You see, so it's still an abbreviation, but it's called Mwa. So these are still both songs. The first one is wrong, the second one is wrong, but they're both abbreviations.
They're both wrong.
Yeah, no, the second one is right. It's called Mwa. But the full sentence of this whole thing is called so the full sentence is Mkunzi Wangwana, which means Umkwenyana, the queller of my child.
Yeah.
Mudi Wangwana. You didn't know that?
No.
Then I was doing lesson for 2022.
One time.
Happy New Year.
Happy.
Yeah. We're done.
All right. I'm pausing.